Guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco again with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today I'm going to show you guys two things of how to make sure that your one profile is able to be found online, and then two, make sure your services are actually able to be viewed and also reserved online. So these are two things that are a little bit sneaky. The profile, you'll definitely know if it's not viewable because when you go to search it, it won't be found. But the services, you can actually have some services turned on for online booking and others not. So if you have a lot of services, you might not notice if some of them are not turned on. So that's what we're going to cover today. As always, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. That being said, let's get right into it. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to come down in here to profile, and then we're going to go into settings, and then you're going to go down to the section labeled online booking. And you can see right now I have my search visibility turned on. And I'm going to show you on the website. So that's why right now my site is visible. You can see it brings up my profile, has my services in here. So we're looking good there and it's good to go. So if you were to turn that search visibility off, what that's going to do is it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. So you see how it's showing that the business is unavailable. That's what's going to happen if you turn the search visibility off. So that's pretty much the main thing that you need to be paying attention to if you want to, let me just pull that off. If you want to make sure that you're able to be found, you need to make sure this search visibility is on. One thing to keep in mind, in order to turn the search visibility on, you do need to have a service turned on to be bookable online. So if you have services in, but they're all turned off and not visible, which is the next thing we're going to look at, you won't actually be able to turn this on. So keep that in mind if you're coming into an issue where you have services, but you can't turn this on. It's probably because the services are not able to be booked online. So that being said, this is the easy part. You want to make sure this is turned on just to make sure your profile is even able to be found. Once you have this turned on though, the next thing we're going to look at is going to be how to make sure that your services are turned on. So right now I went out of online booking. So I went back to the main settings page and then I scrolled up till I came up to services setup. And then now you're going to see a list of all your services. So pay attention. You see how right here in my combo services category, I have a combo service here, but see how I have allow clients to book online and it's toggled off? That's why you're going to see in the profile, that's not bookable. So you see what's happening there? Even though my combo service hair and beard is in my list of service, it's not listed here because I turned off the toggle to be bookable online. So that's why it's not visible. That toggle to turn it off for allow clients to book online is only on this page because it's a combo service. Let me show you real quick what it would normally look like. So I'm going to go down here to haircut, and I'm going to go down all the way to settings. So more settings. And then this is normally where you're going to find the allow clients to book online for a normal service. That's not a combo service. That's normally where you'd go. I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to click OK and save. So now haircut, I just updated it, is now not going to be shown. Let me go back here. I'm going to refresh this page. Sometimes it does just take a second. So see that? See what happened there? It just disappeared. So I turned that haircut service off and it disappeared from my search. I'm going to go back in. Once again, same idea. Go back in to the service, go down to the bottom, more settings, allow clients to book online. Okay, save. That's now going to be bookable again. I'll do the same for the combo service, allow clients to book online, save. So I just turned those both back on. I'm just going to give it a second to refresh. Not sure about that error. Hopefully it went through. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the customer page. So now you can see the hair got back on there. And let's see about the combo service. Yep, exactly. So you can see the combo service came back as well. So that's going to be everything for today, guys. Really simple, straightforward thing, but these are the basics I'm trying to cover in the beginning so you don't spend all that time making sure your profile looks good and your services. But if you forget that one little thing, could definitely stop from people booking with you. If one, they can't even find your profile, or two, they can't find the services they want to book because you don't have those turned on. So make sure you do those two things. Quick review, online booking, search visibility on to find your profile, and then services setup, and then go inside of the services, toggle allow clients to book online to make sure they can find that service. If you wanted to make a service and just keep working on it without someone being able to view it or book it, all you have to do, maybe it's like a work in progress type service, just go ahead and toggle that on, make whatever adjustments you want, and then you just toggle it back on, and then it'll be viewable again. So little housekeeping items, guys. Hopefully that is of use to you. If you did find the video helpful, please like and subscribe. That does help me. And I also have my referral link in the description below that you can use to get 50% off your first 2 months if you're considering subscribing to Booksy Biz. Other than that, guys, always appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.